Stock Market for Beginners, Part 3. Paano kumita sa stock market? Finally, there are many ways to make money in the stock market, but the most common way is by capital gains. This is done by buying a stock at a lower price and then selling it later when the price has gone higher. And yung difference between your cost and the selling price, that's your profit. Of course, there are ifs and buts in between, pero ito yung primary concept. So let's have an example. Say bumili ka ng 1 share of Google stock at $100. And then eventually, ito yung naging 120 and you decided to sell it. So yung $20 ang magiging profit mo. But what if 2 shares ang binili mo? So imbis na $20, $40 ang profit mo kasi times 2 ang share na binili mo. But take note, the more shares that you buy, you will be needing a larger capital. So if you think about it, bilang isang stock investor, we're actually doing business. The only difference is that ang binibili at binebenta natin ay company shares.